This is what it's all about. Pedal back, pedal back. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Son, I love when it's that works. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Connor, your YouTube fisherman. We're back at it again. Of course, as you guys know, working the top water. This is my favorite way to fish. Early in the morning, top water bite right by the mangroves. Just zigzag, zigzag, and look for that bite. Looking for early snook, redfish, trout bite. Just working along the mangroves. Beautiful morning, first light. Let's see if we can catch a nice snook, top water. It is incredible. The anticipation on that top water lure. You wait for the blow up and then like I love it. Oh. That's it. He followed it. That was the first snook. That was the first snook, and you know it's a snook. The way they hit. They almost feel like they come out of water. And he followed it, hit it, but missed it. Oh, fish on. Oh, yeah. Baby. I'm telling you guys, this is what it's all about. Pedal back, pedal back. He wants to go to structure. I love it. I love it. Oh man, this is what it's all about. That's a good size. Yeah, baby. Easy, 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 easy. Easy, I got you. Easy, easy, easy. Yeah. Right on the side of the mouth, top water, baby. That's a good size, guys. That's a good size. Alright. Let's put that here. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful. Look at that beautiful, beautiful snook. Okay. There we go. Easy, baby, easy. I got you. I got you. Right on the side of the mouth. Let's put that here. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We got ourselves a beautiful snook. Just like I told you guys, you gotta be patient. Let's measure that bad boy. We have... We have exactly 27 inch. Almost slot. Almost slot, 27 and a quarter. Beautiful snook. Look at this, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous snook. Look at that mouth. Oh yeah, baby. Fish on. Fish on, baby. That's a small one. That's a baby one, but Let's back up. Yes, yes, yes. It's okay. It's okay. I got you. It's okay. I'm gonna let you go. Yes. Oh man. I told you guys. I told you guys. On the top of the mouth. Nice baby one. Thank you very much. I love it, man. Yeah, I know you're hungry. There you go, baby. I love this. I love this, man. Be patient. Just work the area. And I saw the blow up couple times, and that's it. Boom shakalaka, baby. Let's go. Right on that little area. It's a baby one again. But hey, Snook is a Snook, right? Right there. Oh man, this is good. Alright, let me get you off the hook. Yes, buddy. Thank you very much. Ooh, double hooked. Little baby again. Here you go. Go get big. I love it, man. Oh my God, the biggest blow up. Look at that. Look at that. He was right there chilling. Oh my God, he let go. He took it and let go. Oh, dude. Are you serious? It was huge. This is what I'm talking about. Right on the shadow. When the sun comes up, they just want to chill by the shadow. They're like us. They don't want to get too hot. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh my God. That was big. Nah, that's a little one. Dude, it was the mama, not the baby. Oh my God. They were just chilling right there under the tree. Oh my God. I mean, I don't know if you guys saw that huge wake. Oh wow. Dude. Oh, he let go. He bit and let go. Oh my God. That was crazy. Oh. Right there. That wasn't it though. That wasn't it. That's a little one. I mean, that's not a little one, but oh man, right there. This is crazy, guys. I love this. Oh man. Oh man. Come, baby, come. Here we go, right on the side of the mouth again. Easy, easy. We're gonna let you go, man. Easy, I'm gonna let you go. Jesus. Beautiful. Another beautiful snook. They're all stacked up there. The entire family. That is so cool. I'm not even gonna measure it. That is like 24 inch or so. Right there on the shadows. Right on the mangroves. Beautiful, beautiful snook. There you go. I love it, man. This is so cool. Oh, let's go, baby. Just go on with the pedal tail. Redfish. On the pedal tail, right there. Oh, baby. All right. Redfish on the board. Beautiful spots. My God, that's beautiful. Yeah. All right. Easy, easy. Easy. I'm gonna let you go. Right on the side of the mouth, baby. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. That's beautiful. 4, 5. 5 spots. Beautiful redfish. Nice. I love it, man. That is so cool. All right, here we go. That little spot right there. Let's get some more. as I was retrieving it. Another snook. Oh man, that's our 5th snook right there under that little branch. Oh man, easy, 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 buddy, easy. Man, these babies are hungry. These babies are hungry. Mossy mullet. Thank you very much. All right, there you go. Hi. Oh man, gotta love this, man. The sun is up, working the little paddle tail. Look at that tail action. There you go, on a 2500 reel, Divo Fuego. Vámonos. What is that, 4, 5 snook, 1 redfish. Now we just need a trout, which is easy to get our inshore slam, baby. Let's go. I saw just a wake right there. Maybe a redfish school. Oh, oh, fish on. Fish on. I saw the wake. Go and look at it, look at that. Look at all that. Oh my God. Look at all that. Oh my God. It's a snook. Oh my God, guys. Look at that. Look at that school. Let's catch some. Come on. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, baby. We're gonna let you go. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that. Look at right there, right here. They're right here. Right here in front of me. Look, 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 come on. Another one. Look, look, look at all the wake. Where did they go? Right there, right there. Oh my God. Right there, right there, right there. They're in front of me. There's a little school. There's a snook school, redfish school. Oh, look, 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 look. Right there, right there. Oh, just got a hit. I just got a hit. Oh my God, this is so cool. Where is it? Oh my God, they're everywhere. Oh crap. Oh crap, hold on. Hold on. What happened? Oh my God, what happened? Bro, are you serious? No, it's not the time. Oh, wow, really? Here we go. Bro. Look, look, look. There's some there. There's some there. Come on, let's go there. I think they're right in there too. Man, what was that? Well, look at all that. It got all muddy. It got all muddy. I think they're right there still. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, oh. It was either a redfish school, but I got a snook. That's crazy. Oh, right there, right there. They're in front of me. They're in front of me. Come on. Come on. That was so cool. That was super cool. Oh my God. Another one. Micro snook. Oh, let go. Here we go. That is crazy. Like right there. Same branch. Oh man. What is that? 6 snook now? That is hilarious. I work my top water back there. Nothing. So definitely early top water is the magic, guys. That is like the super duper key to success. As you guys saw, we got that 27¼ snook. So definitely come out, work the mangroves, first light 6:30 till probably like 9, and you'll catch good fish, redfish, snook, trout, and then just go switch back to your lures. Look at this, guys. Look at all that grass. Unbelievable. You know, I've been fishing the lagoon for 6 years and grass is coming back so strong. It's ridiculous. So I like seeing this. More grass, more fish. Look at this. The only thing though, it's super shallow. Extreme shallow this summer. The water is super clear. Usually during summer is murky and deeper. Like last year, it was 4 feet, 3 to 4 feet higher all around the mangroves in the lagoon. This year, literally 3 to 4 feet less water. It's amazing. And it's been raining too, afternoon rains and everything, so it's crazy. Oh, look at all that grass. My goodness. Wow. Wow. Incredible. Alright guys, I pedal against the wind, went all the way right in front of the island, the beginning, and now with the wind I'm just kind of drifting. I'm on top of the old town, super stable. Pull the drive since super low grass. Look at that. Crazy low water levels and lots of grass, so that's perfect. I pedal and now I'm drifting. I saw a couple big redfish. They zipped through like crazy. They saw me casting and boom! So I know there's some fish on top of those grasses. Oh yes, baby! I told you. I told you guys. They're here. I saw them zipping around. What is this? Snook, redfish. I love it. I love it when the plan works. Oh, beautiful snook. Look at that snook. He was just chilling there. Let me put that here. Let me get this out of the way. Man, I love this, man. Look at this. Right on the side of the mouth. That's a beautiful one. Beautiful one. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I know. Look at that. Yes, yes. Oh, wow. That's a great hook set, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. I love it. I love it. Check these guys out. Slam shady, baby. Nice, beautiful snook. Just chilling right there on the grass. Wow. Look at that mouth. He swallowed that slam shady, man. So strong. That's the musty mullet color. He was right there, just chilling. Wow. Oh man, he ain't going nowhere. He swallowed. Oh, he definitely swallowed that. Here we go. Now he's off. Look at this bad boy. Let's measure him real quick. Yes, baby, we're gonna let you go. Yes, baby, we're gonna let you go. We got, let's see, we have 26 inch. A little over, well, 26. I love this, man. 26 inch beautiful snook. Yes, baby. I love this feeling. Let's go take a picture and let him go. Okay, going back, of course. The wind blowing against me. Cannot use the paddle drive. It's crazy grass still, like no water grass, so I have to actually use the paddle and keep paddling against the wind. Woo, getting my exercise too, baby. Let's go. Gotta love it, man. Wow, so we got what so far? 8, 9 snook, 1 redfish, and still I'm gonna fish that little cove right there in the back. But first I need to get the protected area. Oh my god, the wind's blowing. Holy crap. Dude. And I see the cloud cover getting more and more, so definitely my cue to hit back home, baby, before the storm comes in. It's only what, 10:30. Ah, gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Gotta love it days like this. 8-9 snook, 1 redfish. Beautiful. Ah, a lot of work though. Gotta put the work in to get that good fish. Let's go, baby. Woo-hoo!